David here, weekly week look. Today is Friday 8th of June. This is video going out at 4:10, so market is live at the moment. Looking at the November 2018 UK wheat chart. We've got the yearly chart, monthly candles in front of us. Identify last month's green candle here. We're trading at 161, testing the highs. Cast your eye to the left, move my mouse here. We can see here, swing high here back in 2014. We're testing that. The high of that candle here was 164. That happens to be my Elliott wave target. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-year in a hole here, if you can see this level here, and we're now testing above that at the present moment. We're above the 60 SMA. The short term where we got 30 is now crossing the 60 on the longer term basis. All looks good. Trend is still in place. We've been using this long-term chart as our gauge. Let's pop down into the monthly. We can quickly see here in May, this green candle here, stellar month. We closed at a high here of 159. We're above that, 161 trading at the moment. Pop down into the weekly. We can see here we had a bit of a retrace last week. This week we're green. A positive, looks like we're going to close on a positive note, 161. That looks a good trend to me. Still going up at the present moment, well above all the moving averages. Pop down into all important daily. We've got the daily here on the pro real-time chart. I thought it was easier because I've got my Elliott waves drawn in place. We've been looking at this one here since March. We've got 1, 2, 3. We had the retrace very quickly down to 4, came down to test 150, and here we are. We're sort of slowly winding away up to test wave 5 target 164, above all the moving averages. Looked a bit wobbly the middle of the week on the test of 160. At the moment, looks as though it's trading at 160.50 here as we look at the moment. Will it close above the 60? Will we have that last push up to 164? At the moment, it looks though that's still possible. We've lost a bit of the parabolic strength that we had the end of May. We had a bit of a consolidation here, but nothing to say that we won't have that final push. Stochastics, well, come back over the overbought mark again at the moment. So obviously we'll keep an eye on it during next week and see where we get this final push up to test the Elliott wave target of 164. Thank you very much for watching.